Hi, this series is for people that have deep trauma of PDSD and sexual abuse, right? I want to go into such a place to know that you're not alone and that there's hope, because I see it every day, miracles. And I wanted to see if we can do a meditation specifically just for people that are having that kind of trauma, where they feel so unsafe. They feel that life is not on their side, that there's a reliving recurrence of energy that keeps coming through, of a flash of a memory or a trigger, right? So what we want to do here is see what Spirit brings in this healing today on that energy. So I'm going to let you go into that breath right now. Breathe in. Feel that sun coming on right on your heart. Feel it, there it is. There's the sun, right? Just right there. How funny is that? So that's coming through for the reason that there's sunset, and it's coming right to my heart. That's beautiful. So just stick to that, firing up your heart, firing it up so much to the point that it's blasting energy. Yeah? Okay. Now put your hands on your heart. Right? Put your hands on that heart. And slide it side by side. Just let's rub your heart. Okay. I want something more so for you, so you have a little bit of backgrounds. I had PTSD and trauma at 6 years old, and it was a reliving recurrence, okay? So I go to my heart, I tap it, right? I'm tapping to just feel that I'm having a connection to my body. I need to know that I'm in my body, right? I need to know that I have a body. And from this space of trauma, I want you to know one thing and one thing only, that you are not the trauma, okay? You are not your triggers. You are simply there for a simple thing that had happened, unfortunately, and things happen. And your whole lives could just be about the victim or what happens. And I'm not making light of it at all. This is about the light in your heart. This light right here. And I want you to tap into this place, because this is another part of your brain that tells you all the different things that are not true. And in your spirit tonight, of PTSD and sexual trauma is my mission to break all disconnect, all shame. My mission is to make you feel that you are not alone and you are safe in this body. What I do know and what I can share with you from this heart that has opened, and it's not perfect, and it's not clean, and it's not always pixie dust of happiness. What I do know is that where I suffer from my PTSD and my trauma was because I kept thinking there was no lesson behind this. This was a little girl. How can that happen? And how do you blame the parents for not being there? How can you go through your whole life as this victim, right? I can't go into the forgiveness because that's not something that I want to go into tonight, but I do want to go into the lesson. If you have a lesson of why maybe something happened and you cannot put the reasoning behind it, but maybe something's happening to you today, like I'm speaking to you on this, right? So my flaws had me right to be an author, had me be a public speaker, and I get to help all these people. So where is your energy that you're using from this right now? Are you using it to any benefit for yourself? Helping others? Are you willing to get through it right now? See, it's getting smaller and smaller, and it's getting thinner and thinner, the light. As we keep going and growing, what will happen? A lot of you I know, I'm healing right now, I'm feeling it out there, can't get to the point of what the lesson is. Just notice what character defects has it been for you? Okay? And now we're going to go into healing that trauma. We're going to heal that PTSD and those thoughts. We're not thinking about them. I'm just going to send you a blast of energy that will bring you into a state where you could see maybe the lesson. So by me holding this space with you is my honor and privilege to do so. So here we go. Take a deep breath in. I felt healing for myself in that moment. Energy went through the pain where I was feeling pain. And now with the lights going by my throat, notice I see the light right here. It's so beautiful to do a healing here in our throat. That's where my trauma was. Where's your trauma? Down below, down here, on the forehead, right here. Where is it right now? Where's that light shining through your heart? Is it in the throat? Let's do a throat chakra energy healing of us speaking our truth, our energy chakra. This is real natural light coming through my window here. You can see all the light here. So it's just a beautiful thing that this is happening and it's meant for us to heal. Let's heal our throat, our authentic truth. What I stand for in this life is to speak your truth always in vulnerability. Let's go. In this moment. Thank you for that. Thank you for healing the sexual trauma of their throat, of authentic not speaking out, not speaking out. A lot of the men I know are my number one lovers that have been raped and killed, not killed, but kidnapped, and they don't have a voice to express it to others. They're shamed. So we release shame. So let's go now into the third eye here and open up this part of the head. Okay? Let's go right there. And let's bring it in. the energy into your head, and let me bring in all that light. Perfect. And now let's just seal this, knowing whatever message what you got was for the greater good for you for this lesson today. May you know that you can heal self by just energy, and that you have a chance to reach out to me if you need me. I'm here for you. I'm at RoriMontali.com. You do not have to do this alone, and I will guide you every step of the way. Feel safe today. Remove shame. And be the best version of yourself you can be. You're not your trauma anymore. You were healed. You're healed. I hear myself telling myself I'm healed. It's beautiful. Try to maybe get online and offer a healing to someone, and you'll see the energy comes right back to you. So, grateful. Grateful for this moment. I'm really grateful.